one other very safe declarative you can see in JavaScript is the const. So let's look at a quick example on how this works. I'm creating a file for const, so let's declare const number is equal to 10. So if I try to redeclare it, it throws a lint error. As you can see, it's already thrown a lint error, but const is basically constant, right? So even if I try redeclaring it without using the declarative function, it will still throw an error. So let's try this. Oops, sorry. Console.log number. So when I try and execute this, since unlike let or where you can actually redeclare it with the same variable, const won't let you do it. So let's use node to execute this file as well. See, assignment to a constant variable is not possible. Alright, so now let's see how const works in global versus local versus block type declarations. So I'm just going to use the same function print. I'm going to use the same square function. And when a number is, let's say, 60, then large number is equal to 80. I'm using the var declarative here, and then I'm going to use const for another large number. Let's see if I call the const variable square, what happens within this block. So I'm going to print large number and another large number. Since this is outside the block, let's see how it behaves. I'm going to call the function print. Let's clear this out and then call node example const.js. Since it's outside the block, you can see that it threw an error. So let's say the const console.log number has been printed, and then we declared the variable squared using const again within this function locally, and you can see that it got printed alright, which is value 100. And then of course if you use the declarative var, it will anyways print no matter where it is being declared. But finally, when you call this console.log another large number, which is 100, it didn't print because it's outside the block. So when I try and print it here, it works because it's within the block. The biggest difference between const and the let is const cannot be redeclared. It's a constant, but let can be redeclared, but the same variable name cannot be used. So that's one of the major differences between let and const. Again, when it comes to hoisting is always on top. So you'll have to let the variable be declared on top, and the value also has to be given on top and reused within the JavaScript functions.